Red Bull Chaos. If you had a trash day, we got a trash cocktail for you.
Come on.
I had a trash day.
Yes.
Perfect.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping.
Yeah.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Danny and Derek, we're going to figure this out.
We're always.
So this is called the Irish trash can. I've done this like twice ever.
What are we doing with this thing?
My camera shut off. That is going to
That's
go.
not good.
That's no. Hold on.
Hold on.
So this is Long Island iced tea with Red Bull in it. How's that?
Dang.
Simplified.
Yeah.
Simplified.
So in here, what you're going to do though, you're going to add the blue curaçao first.
Yeah.
See.
Now you tell them.
Well, it's in the building instructions. So
He doesn't really read instructions.
I
Where's the
saw
top?
building glass. I'm like, oh, everything goes in there.
what? I feel like that should have a slow pour on it. Why is it got a plastic nipple if it doesn't do anything? Oh, just for like the.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
for the flow.
Yeah.
Flow control.
So add
Not
blue
that kind of
curaçao to a
fucking
pint
trouble.
glass with ice. You did that.
Yeah.
Then you're going to add your spirits. Then you're going to invert a bottle of Red Bull right on top. So the idea being that the blue will settle at the bottom. So when you pour the Red Bull in the blue, it'll be blue, whatever color spirits are,
Mhm.
and then Red Bull.
So do we just want to pour it slowly? So that
I don't know if it. I mean, they're all clear and they're all pretty heavy. So
Yeah.
I think the curaçao should sit at the bottom because of physics.
we need
What did I miss?
light rum.
I thought I got that. No, I said I was going to get it.
Yeah.
And then I was looking around like,
That's
where's my
his
light
fault.
rum? And then I
told
gave
him.
up.
I was like, Jesus Christ, what's wrong with you?
Oh, look,
You got to delegate your people here.
Yeah, come on.
there's a big ass. How's this?
That's light rum.
It's light
Yeah,
because it's
that's
almost
rum.
empty.
And it's clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. I mean, I have.
all
everything's clear.
where's-
No, it's too late. Don't even pick it out.
It's already poured.
I don't
Yeah.
know where it went. No, but I had plantation. Like,
Poured. It's in the thing.
Yeah.
It's
Did you
over by
drink
you, by your blender.
no, that's a different one. That's a different plantation. So Long Island iced tea. I'm going to give you the recipe, although you've probably already seen it because usually I put it ahead of time.
It's a lot of shit.
It's a half ounce of everything. Half ounce of gin, vodka, light rum, triple sec, peach schnapps, blue curaçao. Then we're gonna Red Bull the shit out of it. Then you just drink it. I don't think it's a require that
The
you
instructions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
you drink it.
you don't have to like bomb
First
it.
you make it.
So you
Yeah.
just dump.
You dump the whole thing inside. You're just gonna
No, you just like-
dump it all the way down. There you go. It should stop. If it doesn't, great. It's better for camera. So,
it should
Yeah.
be good. No.
but he's trying to get it to
Yes.
raise without going. He wants to make it like at least.
Yeah, it should look.
Oh, you know what? But now you every time you do it, you don't know where it's gonna end.
That's why I only do a little bit.
No, that's good.
Yeah, I'm going to
Okay.
put it over.
Yeah, the thing I didn't think about when I was framing this though was that the pint glass
I was gonna have the Red Bull.
and
on
it
it.
has the Red Bull on top. So
Yeah,
I'll-
you gotta like.
I probably have
We're
to-
figuring this out as we go.
Well, luckily we only have to do this one once.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone's got their first time, right?
Yeah,
Especially with a Red Bull can.
yeah, that's true. It kind of looks
Oh, I
like
found your pearl dust.
yeah, I got a lot of weird shit over there. It only has to be so good because one of my favorite things to troll people, it's just like two people, is they get pissed off because I use AI to help generate my thumbnails, and they're like,
Oh.
AI slop. I'm like, it's like a fucking thumbnail. Why don't you just do it yourself? I'm like, I've done it myself for like 18 years. Now I can make them look good. So why would I not want to do that?
And not work as hard at it.
Right.
Yeah.
I can literally say, this is the photo that I take. And it's still hard because I got to take the photo. I try to crop it out to the right place. I do one with us in the shot in case it wants to use it. I mix and match and I have it come up with different sayings and stuff like that to come up with. Sometimes it spells them right. I have to fix it.
It
But-
really just goes to prove that people are going to complain no matter what.
Right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not AI. I am slightly nervous. 'cause
How do we drink this thing?
why is it, it feels like it's getting,
Yeah.
It is. Yeah.
shit.
You should probably
Probably drink it.
stop talking and suck on it.
Oh shit. Hold on. I'll help.
Every college guy ever.
I'm not going to tell you what I think it tastes like, but I think we'll all come to the same conclusion. Maybe not.
Ooh.
Is this a college drink, right? I mean,
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm wondering if there's a straw or anything.
no, you don't need.
No, you
you
gotta drink it.
yeah, you don't need a straw. You just got to palm it.
Mm.
I mean, things you got to remember. You want the taste of the can, right on the side.
I can taste the Red Bull.
Did you? Yeah.
I can taste a little bit of alcohol.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes like
It's sugary and sweet and
I think
It tastes like it's gonna help me sleep tonight.
I feel like it's good, but it's not.
No.
I feel like when I drink it, and maybe I don't know if it's the Red Bull or the combination of them, but I get like that medicine that you use to
NyQuil.
yeah, NyQuil.
It's NyQuil.
Oh, that's why I like it. I love NyQuil.
Like doesn't it has
You
a
know what?
medicinal?
If this is going to be called the trash can, I think we can kind of like
Oh, yeah, there we go.
enhance the
Make-
aesthetic
yeah.
and make it more drinkable at the same time.
Maybe.
Oh, there we go.
But look, you squeezed out all the stuff.
That's okay.
Oh yeah,
It makes it easier.
But now you can drink it. It looks more like a trash can.
that's true.
Hmm.
But I don't remember what Red Bull tastes like.
Oh, it tastes better now though. It's starting to like mix in a little bit.
Yeah.
Before it was just Red Bull.
Is that what the taste was?
Yeah. Because Red Bull's just like shit.
I know.
Like I don't know how people drink like Red Bull and vodka.
I don't
It's just
either.
like shit.
It just tastes. Yeah, like
It's just the ritual.
it's just not good. Like the Red Bull, like I like Monster.
Yeah. Now you can actually taste like
I mean, more Red
Now
Bull's
that it's-
coming in because
yeah.
as it goes down, the Red Bull's coming in.
It just pushed the blue curaçao up.
but you can taste like
But you don't
You
taste
can
the
use a
gin.
can to mix it a little bit too.
really trash can that fucking thing.
It doesn't taste like gin. I guess it's like a Long Island tea. It doesn't
It
taste
doesn't
like gin
taste
or
like-
vodka or
Tastes
any
like
of those
fucking
things.
NyQuil.
Then it
Yeah.
tastes like Red Bull.
It tastes like a NyQuil based Red Bull, unless that's what Red Bull tastes like.
It tastes a little fruitier now though. Like it tastes.
I thought it tastes like fruit, like almost like a
this
cough
comes
syrup
in.
fruity.
This is really sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is no sour here. The only thing we're basing the balance on is citric acid.
Yeah.
But it works. People like this thing. They've
Hey,
liked
if
it
you
for
like
years.
it,
I mean, if it were colder, maybe
Yeah.
I could see that being like, okay, that could be a little refreshing.
You need but the problem is maybe if you use like a lot of crushed ice, but you don't have a lot of room
yeah.
to put a lot of ice in there.
Crushed ice might be a good way to go with that.
And that, the Red Bull was in the refrigerator, but like everything else
But nothing
kind of,
else was, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's not like we shaked it to chill it.
it's
Sure.
literally
no, we
built
didn't
in.
even stir it.
Yeah, it was
So-
just a build in.
Yeah.
Here's what I'm thinking is going to happen is you build this thing and it's gone in 3 seconds. Like you would
Yeah.
build it, you just drink, you just keep drinking, do Ian style where he just goes,
Yeah. You just
Yeah.
drink
which
it.
I can't do
Chug
because
it.
all that carbonation and everything. Like I just
There's
you
no
have to-
carbonation in this though. This is
It doesn't-
flat.
No, it doesn't taste like there's a lot, but it's got to have. It's a can of Red
It's a
Bull.
little bit.
Right? It's got bubbles.
It's
We
got
probably
bubbles.
shook some
I
of
don't
them
even
out.
see any bubbles.
It's got bubbles.
Dude, look at that. It looks like the champagne of cocktails right here.
I think that's condensation.
No, there's
Oh,
bubbles
look,
in there.
Samo. They're bubbling all up. It looks just like a Coors Light.
Okay.
It's almost like the Rocky Mountains in there.
Of course, like with a little bit of Midori in it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I think it tastes better than Red Bull.
It tastes better now.
Yeah.
Before it just tastes like Red Bull.
It
Not
was
terrible.
no, it's not terrible.
It's not a craft cocktail, but
It's definitely not. No, this was like, let's start the week of recordings, like so we have some energy to push through to the rest.
Boom.
So here's the trick. It's having a real bad day at work, lots of shit on fire, and I hadn't even built the list yet. So the minute I looked at the list that I had, AI kind of suggested to me, I was like, Irish trash can it is. Like that's how I'm starting this. I was like,
He's
that's
like, I'm
what-
drinking Red Bull.
if you
But I
had a
gotta be a part
cocktail
of the
named
show.
Dumpster Fire, you probably would have taken that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and then I went shopping. I got the Red Bull and bananas and some other stuff for the rest of the drinks. And I got back to put the Red Bull in here. There was a fucking Red Bull right next to it. I was like, fuck, I had Red Bull. I don't even know why. Like somebody brought it over D&D or something like that. Random shit in there. And I was like, oh, well, there you go. I had a Red Bull, now I have two. So that way, if we fucked up,
Which goes on again.
because I was like, this is a one and done. Like if we fuck it up, it's over. And I was looking in there, I'm like, well.
Or when we're all done, if you're still thirsty, make another.
Or if you're feeling a little down.
Yeah. All right. Well, I say another Irish trash can recipe in the books for
Boom.
cocktails. Third time. It's a charm. I think
Not
it's
terrible
better.
if you like
Yeah.
Red Bull.
I feel
That's
like
sweet.
the first
Yeah,
time I
sweet.
did this in the show, like back in like probably 2009 or whatever, get like hundreds of millions of views, whatever.
Yeah.
I was in my like just figuring shit out. Then the second time I did it, I was like, this is fucking stupid, but I'll do it for the views. Now I'm like, I don't fucking care anymore. Like it's like it's a bell curve.
So you haven't done it in a while, but someone just donated $2.
Yes.
Whoa!
Boom.
I think you need a high five.
Laser coming.
Boom. Hi, yeah, you two high
I
five.
remember how to do that.
Yeah, you two.
High five!
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. What was that?
That was the
I
worst.
didn't even
high
hear
five.
anything.
Ah,
There we
that's
go.
the way it was say I
Yeah,
remember that.
see?
I think you're wearing a ring.
Yeah.
Oh no, I am definitely wearing
Yeah,
a
I
ring.
think I hit my finger on your ring.
Well, you should have. How did you do that?
I don't know. I was a
Probably
little low
should
on the
know.
high five. We're out of practice.
That's
fair.
if you guys give more money, we can just make him practice to do it more. I'll be here.
That's a good idea. So there you go. Another one in the books. We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.